Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're going to be walking through our most popular seating configuration on the Crest lineup. This is the rear recliner model. It's going to be a 22-foot LX, so this is going to be enough seating capacity for you and 12 of your friends. In this configuration, you'll have the nice big loungers out the back with uninterrupted views of the water, or you can convert it up to where you can seat 6 comfortably back here in the back. You'll notice you'll also have a nice big swim platform in the back, your tow bar, and your Mercury 150. So we walk towards the front of the boat. This model will have your dual lounge or dual captain's chair up front, so you can have a companion with some cup holders next to you, as well as a nice built-in table in the middle. This will have your Fusion head unit with Bluetooth and a nice front area. You move up into the front, you're gonna have nice big seats, storage underneath all of them, and a built-in cooler board. This will come with a soft shell cooler that fits just perfectly in there. Towards the front, you'll notice you also have some USB ports for any of the electronics and gadgets that you need to charge while you're on the water. This boat, as well as many other Crest, are available on the MarineMax website. We have a link down below, and if you like one of the models, give us a call and we'll help you figure out.